Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Apple Watch band. So if you have an Apple Watch, either the Series 8, Series 9 or Series 10, and I want to change the Apple Watch band, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your Apple Watch band, all you need to do is go back to the back, just flip the Apple Watch and then flip it to the back. Once flipped, you should see two different buttons at the back beneath each of the band. Now, to change the Apple Watch band, just go ahead, press the button and then slide out the Apple Watch band. So once you press the button, this is going to make it easy for you to slide out the Apple Watch band. Repeat the same thing on the second Apple Watch band to slide out the Apple Watch band. So you can either slide right or left, depending on what works. Now, you need to go ahead and grab your new Apple Watch band, but here, I'm going to use this existing Apple Watch band. So, grab your new Apple Watch band, and then position your Apple Watch perfectly. If you're on the right side, this is where your digital is going to be. If you're lefty, this is how to position your Apple Watch. Now, to change the Apple Watch band, or replace it with a new one, grab the new Apple Watch band, and then the Apple Watch itself. So, slide through the Apple Watch band like this and make sure the Apple Watch band is facing down. You see, make sure the down part of the Apple Watch is facing down or facing the Apple Watch light. So just slide it in. And once the Apple Watch is keyed, then you should hear a clip confirming that the Apple Watch is keyed. Then again, repeat the same thing on the other side. Just insert the Apple Watch like that. And then you're good. So you can go ahead and then strap your Apple Watch. So easy peasy. So that is it. That's exactly how you can easily change Apple Watch band. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.